people, future millionaires. Welcome back to my channel. I am Suma Jabril, your social media marketer, dropshipper, and multiple stream income earner online. Listen, hit that subscription button and the bell while you are at it so you can get my videos. Don't be a hater, okay? So on this channel, guys, I teach you how to start a business, grow a business, and different ways to make money online. Today, guys, I want to talk to you guys about how you can add targeted leads or people to your Facebook page so you can make some sales and make all the money that you want to make in your business. All right, so before we get started though, comment, like, and subscribe if this video adds any value into your life. So let's get started.
All right, guys, so this is Facebook and this is my personal profile page. As you can see at the top, it says Suma Jabril. And to find your targeted audience or leads, to be able to add them to your page, guys, you are going to have to do some research on Facebook. And a good way to do research is to utilize the search bar at the top where you see it says search bar, where my cursor is, to do some research. So before you do any type of research on your target audience, guys, what you want to know or note down is you want to know everything about your target audience, right? So you want to know their interests, things that they're interested in. You want to know their demographics, where they are located. You want to know their psychographics, things that they like, their hobbies, groups that they're in, their role models, type of music that they like to listen to, where they hang out at, and things like that. You know, the more details you know about your target audience, the easier it is for you to find them on Facebook. And everybody is on Facebook. Your target audience is on Facebook. So what I do to add people to my page, to add leads to my page, is I use the search bar. And for example, for me, my target audience is small business owners and entrepreneurs, right? I'm a social media marketer. We advertise for small business owners and entrepreneurs, specifically the Facebook advertising services. So with that being said, when it comes to thinking, doing the research, what comes to my mind is, well, small business owners. So the first thing I want to research is business owners, business owner groups. So that's the first thing that comes to my mind. So you've got to use some keywords in the search bar to try to locate your target audience so you can get those leads on your page to market to make sales from. So I'm going to put some keywords to try to locate my people. So what I do is I'm going to say business owners group, and you can select any of the suggested ones that Facebook gives you, or you can go at the bottom and see where it says see all results for business owner groups, and it will show you all kinds of business groups on Facebook. And if you see, this is one of the groups that I am in already. I'm in tons of these groups, guys, because that's how I build my audience, with targeted leads, okay? Because your family and your friends, they're not going to buy from you. So you want your business to be in front of your targeted audience as much and as many as possible, okay? So if you scroll down, you have more groups that Facebook gives you. And these groups I'm not in because, you have the plus join. So that means, if you want to join it, you will click that plus join, and you would have to wait for an admin or a moderator to approve you if it's a private group. And once you are approved, you'll have access to the group and the people in the group, right? You can scroll more down. You'll get different groups. If you have a specific business, if you are in a specific niche like weight loss, health and wellness, you would do something like keto recipe groups for beginners. So you see that if you put some keywords in, you get all kinds of stuff. Keto recipes for beginners, keto recipes for groups, keto recipe group only for recipes. If you select at the bottom, see all results, you get all kinds of stuff, guys. And if if you are selling a health and wellness product, your people are going to be in these groups because they are a part of this group because they want to lose weight. So these are the people that you will add to your page if this is your niche. Okay, you see this group has 141,000 members, right? And Facebook allows you to have 5,000 friends. So this is what you do, you guys. So now, and you can do this with any kind of business, any type of niche, any business you could do this research on Facebook with. So I'm just going to show you an example from groups that I'm already in, since I have tons of groups, right? So on the left side here where it says explore, underneath that, see that the category groups, I'm going to select that, and it's going to pull up the groups that I'm in. And right here where it says groups you are in, I'm in tons groups, and I'm just going to click on any group just to show you that example. Okay, so this one is called Black Businesswoman Network, North Carolina. It lets you know what the group is, what it's about. So you already know that your targeted audience will be in there pretty much. So what you want to do when you get approved to the groups that your target audience are in, you want to look at the information of the group. So over here where it says members, you want to select members, okay? Because you want to find the members or know what type of people are in that group, even though you already kind of have an idea prior to knowing what kind of people are in the group. And as you can see, this group has 1,829 members. And as you can see, I'm at the very top here. I'm a member and a conversation starter. Below that, you will see the admins and the moderators and mutual friends that are in the same group. And below that, you will see members with things in common. So if you are into the health and wellness niche and other people are in it and are in the same group, then those are people that you have things in common with. Perhaps could be your competitors, right? And as you scroll down, you will see new to group members. So all of these people, where it says add, I could add these people to my friends list. I can't right now because I'm at full capacity pretty much, unless I delete inactive people. But the one that says friends, that means we're friends. She's already on my friends list. But the ones that say add friend, then you would select add, and keep on scrolling down, and you will select add. And you want to add about 15 to 20 a day, guys. Don't overdo it, or Facebook will think you are spamming and block you temporary. So you want to do 10, 15, 20 a day, but you want to be consistent with it to build your audience. Okay, so that's what you would do. And not everyone is going to accept your friend request, but some are. And the ones that don't, you just keep it moving. The ones that do, they're going to be your friend. They're going to start seeing your content. They're going to engage with your content, and you're going to engage with their content. And over time, guys, they're going to get to know you as an individual and a brand, and like you, trust you enough to become your customer. And this is what this is all about, is developing and building a community of people that is your target audience and people that are able to support you when you support them, and vice versa, guys. Okay, so that's what you do, and that's how you do it, guys, by doing some research from the research bar on Facebook. This can be done for any kind of business and for anything, even a specific book your custom your target audience likes, a specific role model, a specific singer, all of these pages, different pages where your target audience hangs out, a specific cooking network channel, things like that, guys. Psychographics, demographics, interest, behaviors, things that they do, a specific gym or a workout fitness plan, something that they like. You are able to find all that information on Facebook. You're able to track them down and send them friend requests to be your friend. Once they become your friend, guys, you are able to also guide and lead them to go like your business page and also follow you on your business page. So now they're able to see your content not only on your Facebook page, your personal page, but they're able to see your content as well on your business page as well. And that's how you build a targeted lead, a targeted audience, guys, on your Facebook page, by doing the research on Facebook, finding where they're located, where they are, and requesting to be their friend so that they can get to know you and you get to know them and you can serve them. Okay, that's how you do it. That's how I've built my list to 5,000 and plus, guys. So if you have found value in this video, make sure you comment below, like and subscribe. Let me know what kind of topics you guys want me to talk about next, and I will surely make a video about that. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I will see you guys on my next video.